Mema Owusu Kwaba Eba juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bramo. Dr. Mahama Bawumia Obona Propo can't say John Dramani Mahama Omana Quenya no so and the president. Means I'm not the two yano Kevin Tiller about thing. I'll be replying on I think Samatuga. Now answer the call and some women let's just say so we unsubscribe to the channel let's just say over subscribe. What I'll be honest say over click the subscribe button. Na wabeli notification no oyana sa video foforo bia be upload also once beka bi afi we na wala like video no give us a thumbs up na afi wa share ma ofoforo so na wenye bi na wonhwe afi yamko ensemi no Vice President Dr. Mahama Bawumia ensemi atubia wache se John Dramani Mahama Omana Kwenya no so eme president bi na nsemi no ditubia na Kevin Tiller keti about them abeyina no watch say we vice president say o we say we bia no akunya won say obeye na ope so obeye president ya enye Mahama en mo kwa ma wa president na fo na beto aba na you say bra be president e fe wo bi pa wa ye na kana fo to aba mo amwa be president enye John Dramani Mahama en be mo aye president eno na kiti say be Bawumia ke won tena sekra we vice president ye wona ma wo kakan nyina no you have the opportunity there wo say wo ya no ubetimi aye na fina wo beka se Mahama ema wakunya na wo so me president be vice president Mahama no enyo no ena ma obi akunya so me president Ghana for the beto aba yeju ama wa ba be president na no wo che se the president na ndo takwa Akufo-Addo all ba no also try me mo so me hwe ena wadane nso hwe mai yin le ni yakoso ho kire abaga na fo so no ensem bebre na kabitele ensem dodo na ara ena odi atuga yes semre no intentemara yeti kiti in reaction efa yes asemu ya Bawumia atuga yeti ensema what okafa yeti no.
All the things that you are going around telling people that we should vote for you before you do, it means you can do those things now. Now, why are you not doing those things now? Bawumia, a simple question, Amibusao. Why are you not telling the various institutions to take the immediate actions now? Because what can say, maybe, we'll say government budget. Over 30%. Let it happen now because you've been able to force the accountant general to pay the money which has not been paid. So this defeats Mahamudu Bawumia campaign message. So Bawumia Jinawakacha will say, I am begging you, John Mahama, let me also become president. John Mahama is saying, you are still president. Don't beg John Mahama. John Mahama is not the one going to stop you from becoming president. The people of Ghana, they will listen to you. So they'll give you the nod. In 2016, did John Mahama make you president? It was the people of Ghana. In this Saudi, Mahamudu Bawumia na Obejina Bontreka say, you have been president before. Allow me to also serve as president. The Bawumia is being foolish. He does not even understand that it is not John Mahama who makes president. The people of Ghana, we make president. We elect president. We are the people who decide who becomes our president. And so you have gotten everything wrong. Bawumia is low voltage individual. Now you know what form. Say ano atu jimi atu concert. Mahamudu Bawumia, we made who you vice president and president. John Dramani Mahama, we will decide whether to make him president or not. And we will decide whether to make you president or not. So it's not you. You going to Mahama to beg him, no, will not change anybody's mind. If the NDC, some kofa bodam ni ba, na se Ghana for dwen hono musa bodam ni no won fa so chenwa, they will vote for the madman. So it is not about Mahama, it is you. What are the qualities awo? Dear na wachre Ghana for, how have you been able to conduct yourself? Proven to us. How have you been able to let us believe that you are not a liar? That is what you have to think about. John Dramani Mahama, you are begging, say, open the chow, Omambedi president. You know? John Mahama, he did not elect himself in 2012. John Mahama did not elect himself as president. We elected John Mahama. Into us and Papa Bika, Bekachre Yeni. Because John Mahama kas uncontested here, NDC Benjo Bidinaba. Obviously, Professor Nana Opoku Agyman, of good record, chain. It's Professor Nana Opoku Agyman. Say John Mahama kas uncontested, then Professor Nana Ba. Obekachi and say, Professor Nana, please let me become president. Because Professor Nana does not decide who becomes president. We, the people, decide who becomes president. So right now that you are petitioning John Mahama, Mahamudu Bawumia is petitioning John Mahama. Please, John Mahama, I am foolish. Let me be president. It's John Mahama. Or then they decide your political life amount. Go there and sell yourself. Bawumia, tell the people that you can solve the dollar problem before election day. The people will think and make a decision. Go and solve the problems. Now, petitioning John Mahama. Professor Bawumia, please, we beg you. You should also allow Professor Nana Opoku Agyarko to become the first vice president. Why? We beg you. And I know the Jimmy. Bawumia, we beg you. Please, we want to have the first female vice president in Ghana. Professor Nana Opoku Agyarko, she has also not been vice president before. So please, she also wants you to allow her to become vice president. Why? Ofori. Oh, Bawumia, na you sa erade ya go for. Mo ana mudi Bawumia chino, mo ba wuntamo na mo Jimmy. Mo ntunifo. Me say, we are also petitioning you, Bawumia. Professor Nana Opoku Agyarko has never been vice president before. So we are begging you, Bawumia, allow her to be vice president. So be our default. Kwakwa, esi akwakwa, wo kwakwa wa ha de so kwakwa wa ha. We wedi ade we say you wedi. Ai, inti de ye to dame no. Ye ne kwakwa no wa ha na also kwakwa no wa ha. Inti o kwakwa no ye kwakwa de so yi kwakwa. Inti we de o say opa John Mahama achew. O petition John Mahama say oma chance to be the president. Yati. Yes, your pa Joe. Ma Professor Nana Opoku Agyarko so chance ma be the vice president. Inti ye hwe de ne kwakwa no ebetuma panipa no fast. Unya correct. Daddy, bo abeno. Bawumia pa. Me say MP before amudidi matem. Mo Bawumia ne say opa Mahama achew. Mahama njana man be president. Yate, yatie. Mahama edwene ho. Yes, so ye pa Bawumia achew. Onjai na Professor Nana Opoku Agyarko so be first vice president, a lady. Enti ni mienu no kwakwa. Moa kwakwa yeto kwakwa. Mo Jimmy, where is Bawumia's message? Ye penny message. Mo de mo be wu MP before ni Jimmy. Yati kroma na akwa we beka asem we kire. Try me nkwasi ade no ti kroma na wodi. O kan se Akufo-Addo wenyini anka obusuom a ope. Hwane party kire o obusuom. Ende akwa we di nkwasesem o Ghana na akoka pe. Akufo-Addo anka obusuom anka ompe. Me se hwane pe achichide o obusuom. Me mpa achichide o obusuom. Me mpa panyin a wagimi o obusuom. Panyin a ekunipa a onka ho asem me mpa bi o obusuom. Enti mo pe asem papa ka monka. Na Akufo-Addo oye penyini o anka obusuom otesa mempa achichide o mebusuom achichide we can try me and the mohwe nkwase ade a oye Ghana osoro no mu na ne tisa bim ana otegana no ojimi no ho obi anka na asem ade a wanyini na nipa na jimi no muntunufo ansa na wewu because wanyini odi jimi ni ko wu. Try me. Pleading with Ghana for, we beg you, try me. Akufo-Addo de wenyini, mommy a man a chance. On the another papa with ska, or the unfair him, Akufo-Addo papa no nye juma papa bia we ase. Nigeria for 9 sisi omoje. Akufo-Addo papa, ejuma be no ye Ghana. Also a lawyer. Also that's a great teacher lo. Or a lawyer, we call lawyer hwan. Kwasi ade say ya na mo te Ghana. We di ene papa, no a lawyer. Na na papa a lawyer just say wo so nyansa. Se Akufo-Addo papa ni nyansa na Akufo-Addo nyansa ye jimi nti ne tete Ghana hwene ti se bim me fa ba ko ne so ni ti se bim unim bim ene tete Ghana Akufo-Addo de na ne papa lawyer omo de wa unim tama no mo yankwara no ye de omo ko UK imre bi eyi asemi si wo chebi Akufo-Addo fie ho se de nkwase ade bi ko ho na omo ye galamsey Akufo-Addo fie n'echi ene omo ko interview bosom ba ko bi na oto. And I'm saying, na Akufo-Addo fie mentia se Ghana for dem mpe Akufo-Addo asem Akufo-Addo nkola bremi ono de bia o hyedem na osia de Akufo-Addo de bia le national play mu ko abro james kwasia bi maame Akufo-Addo nkola bremi not play mu ntonim nyansa otwe mu de mo Jimmy Akufo-Addo ne papa mo no mo sika ene Akufo-Addo maame say Akufo-Addo so be de bia na ohye na okwa na aba de Akufo-Addo okwa abrochi kwa to blame when e ka se tena kura ba mu kwa abrochiri mo na motete Ghana so nkwase asem wesu ama jimi wa be di president hwe nkwase asem esi wo Ghana kwase bi maame to wo defend Akufo-Addo adentira onim nyansa adentira ne nkwala blame no ko school mo kai sa video no Kasmin FM4 bi boss sa video no ko strike me Omuko krobo so omuko interview Akufo-Addo yase maami bi to time ewu Akufo-Addo na otifie hobi na wo hwe busum bi ote ho adan a Ghana for ta Akufo-Addo ene Akufo-Addo mo mehwe kire ha yenye galamsey bia wo ha na Akufo-Addo ne nkola berem ono de na osuro nyame abuofunu wona de osuro bonsam Akufo-Addo ne nkola berem na osuro nyame na wanka njere wi ana onom de wanka njere o siso start no mu wi de wanka njere onum kokeni wanka ana mu Jimmy no sro nyame na Akufo-Addo nkola brem ne papa mo kwa abrochi nam de ko onu ko ti plane seat ba ku mi se otwen ba kwase bi maame yesi Akufo-Addo ye galamsey wo chebi And Akufo-Addo there. Akufo-Addo, I brother Akufo. Now me Akufo-Addo some can. This is coming from a judge, a Supreme Court judge in Ghana. Or say, Kevin, tell them this. Ghanaians should read the case of Akufo-Addo versus Catherine and see the dubious things Akufo-Addo's father did. We're a Supreme Court judge. Or say, I should tell you people, go and read. You will see the nonsense Akufo-Addo's father did in Ghana. Or say, Ghanaians should read the case of Akufo-Addo versus Catherine and see the dubious things Akufo-Addo's father did. Wait, Akufo-Addo papa mu classmate too. Kwasiade amotete Ghana, you better read the nyina akyerebo. Go and find that case and read. And Akufo-Addo there, na ya wo no osoro nyame, read ni we osoro nyame. Atakura. Akufo-Addo, odin kwasasema ne middle name ye, na atakura. Atakura osoro nyame, atakura. Ni din ankasa no eno mo kan kyerem da, ene na me ka kyerem. Akufo-Addo, ni din omudi esiem no. Na atakura osoro nyame. Akwawe atichidie we osoro nyame. Na atakura. Ni din ankasa no mo nya obi ambo. I'm telling you bopa muta no. Ni fie din ankasa no. Na atakura. Akwawe kura me 40 years atunu wi. Wadum wi sa bobo cocaine. Mo so akwawe so atakura. O munipa. Atakurado. Na muna muti Ghana na Nana Adodankwa William this is Mujimi. Akwane dadamo. William Adodankwa Nana the most of them say big Willie was there and they will say we mo bodam. Ni din amon kan kire mo no atakura. Wey. Or you dangerous. Obi oro to be the se ebo sadin ase na anwa no wa mene wa so wa o to be the se bo sadin na no atwi ato na wa twe anwa ni nyina takura. Atakura. Go and read Akufo-Addo versus Catherine. Mr. S. Mr. P. Pull it out. Akufo-Addo versus Catherine. Neko he Akufo-Addo papa. Kwasi asem odi wo Ghana. Ye nka o masem atakura. Me say mo de papa me boa. Mo fre Akufo-Addo fo busu afo na muso mo say Akufo-Addo. Ma me na otowo no. Osoro ma me. Je na otiche bi fie ho na. O say Akufo-Addo de ai oni de osu ni kwara bem no. Sro no sro nyame. Mo nko busa ma me ne say Akufo-Addo ye fre na atakura. Your friend atakura. Hey, Raddy. You need the ground. You don't have no idea what happened. Yeah, chira story I was today. Atakura. Na mo hwe de ekọ. Na atakura. Na atakura ado. Ni dia de to no. E na kakranka kom se da abi ye change na amanfo be hu se we de bosomba. So ensuo ba. What a baby. E no mo se wo mo yi atakura no. Ensuo na de to Akufo-Addo no. Ensuo na mo koje no ye fa na atakura. Ensuo bi da chebi. Atakura mu niampon. Atakura me niampon. Ensuo de chebi fo nyina nim. Atakura. E ho ne koje Akufo-Addo. Oye ensuo ba. What a baby. Atakura inti bosom ne ka say ye wona na so mbese bibia koye a omfa ne nto no na mema mo story na mokora wa mbuofu bosom na omkora na atakura beni ampon saa bosom na edache bi Akufo-Addo krum ho omkoji Akufo-Addo e nsuo ba oye what a baby edita mama amene wo e no eno mu hu say ebia omde gina ope no ayesi na okoto from kim omde gina ope no ayesi na okoto from kim eno ka say bibi nten gina say nsuo ba da wo mo chakakra ena mo sade ne ko nsuo no ho ena nsuo ri ka say momfa ne ntome mo de ne tome a agovern be ko because ata we nyara say ena Akufo-Addo papa onu tata na onum wi odibito 10 ya to so bako mo pe story ne ga say mam story betu na Ghana ho enye ni nyina ne ka na bedi etu asante bedi etu say Akufo-Addo wo fa ena ko repeat Akufo-Addo ma amene de wo Akufo-Addo ma ena de what asante bedi etu na eden asante bedi etu be relate Akufo-Addo papa repeat asante bedi etu ne maame no sa ene de be wo asante bedi etu ene ne ma asante bedi etu be Akufo-Addo ebusuani mumu sa omo Akufo-Addo asebe na mo kai kanza no munim de ekoso
Yo, it's for winning and some of your KT can tell ready to go reacted to Bawumia in some of the people say a former president John Dramani Mahama on national NBC for Flagera. Woman Aquina no so and the president. And not KT and reply I would and sub the go now after that. Because GC News so and our head on. So we don't subscribe. Let's just say over subscribe. No, I like you. Now watch the video. Also, get me actually watching Afriyie and some way now. I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. click on the bell to turn on the notification.